Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. This is gonna be a video where we install my front lip and the diffuser. I've been waiting a long time for this. Finally able to do it. Last video we did the H&R lowering springs. I was a little skeptical about this because I didn't know if I wanted to put the diffuser and the carbon fiber front lip because I thought I was gonna have fitment issues or rubbing on my driveway. Because as you guys can see, I have a really steep driveway. Unfortunately there's nothing I can do about it, but after we lowered the car I wasn't really having any rubbing issues, so I guess it's time to do the carbon fiber lip and my diffuser with the third brake light. As you guys can see, the car's on the jack stand. We can go ahead and start with the video. Let's go. Alright, so it's pretty much this is what we're dealing with. The kit comes with everything you need. All the hardware, they'll send it to you. This is my diffuser, that's the front lip. This kit I got it from West Coast Europe. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think I got it from it's pretty much it's self-explanatory. We just go underneath the car. I'm gonna clean the surface. We're just gonna align the front lip and start hitting on the hardware we got. It shouldn't be too hard. All right, let's get into it. All right, so this is what it looks like when I installed the whole front lip. I'm just using the jack stand as a little assist and kind of test fit this whole thing to make sure it's gonna fit and sitting flush. Not bad with the fitment at all. Really happy with this. Right now all I gotta do is just go ahead with the screws, but again, it's not that bad at all. I can kind of flush in a little bit more. Right now again, I'm just using the jack stand to see how it looks like. Let me go ahead and put the screws in and we'll see how it looks. Guys, look at this front end. Oh my god, I can look at this for days. This is amazing. The fitment is all good. Like, I'm not having no issues at all. Jesus, this is so good. Zero complaints, guys. Amazing. It's really amazed me how a simple detail gonna change everything. Like, the small little things can make perfect things, you know. So right now it's time for the rear. So what my plan is, get the car out, have the car reverse, but first I gotta put these two knuckleheads inside the house, because as soon as I open the gate, this guy, all he wants to do is run. Ain't that right, buddy? Look at you. Want some belly rubs? Got you some belly rubs, bud. Look, that's the auto start right there. You need to wash, buddy. We need to take a shower, buddy. Come on. Look at you. This guy's a year and 5 months, and this guy's 3 years. His name is Moon. That's Moon. And this is Sunny. They're all boys. You got scared, bud? It's all good, buddy. It's me. You want some belly rubs too? Gotcha. All right, I want you guys to go inside, okay? Go, let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Both of you, come on, let's go. Good boys. Come on, let's go. Go, buddy. Okay, watch your head. Okay, nice. All right, let me pull this car out. I'm gonna reverse, and we can swap out the rear. All right, guys, right now underneath the car, we're taking off this OEM diffuser. We got an 8mm right here, some Torx, I got about 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 torques and the 8 mil right here. Just gonna take this out real quick. Like that. And then you just gotta pop these clips right here. Got about one. Got another one right here. And then this whole piece is gonna come slide out. Alright, so to remove the rear diffuser, what you gotta do is just grab an end and simply just pry it open. Like that. It's that easy. Alright, let's go take a look at the OEM and aftermarket one. Alright, so since we got this F1 light or the third brake light, we're gonna have to go ahead and remove one of these lights and pretty much just tap this into our wires right here, because I want to show you how to do it. Some people don't like to run it, but since I paid for this whole thing, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna put it right here. Let's get that out the way. This thing's gonna come out like that. Got about 2 10 mils. Like that. We have our wiring harness. Just gonna push this tab like that. And if you take a look at it, we have a ground. Well, not done never. Alrighty, so if you guys wanna know how to do the wirings about this, so it's gonna be the red one's gonna go to your black and yellow. Your yellow one's gonna go to the black and white or gray, and your ground. So your black one's gonna go to your brown one. That's if you guys want to know how to do the wirings. So this is what the finished product look like. Got the wires hooked up. We're gonna throw a little picture if you guys ever get confused. So all I gotta do right now is put everything back together. That. This is the last part. That's it. That's all you gotta do.